Hello everyone, and welcome to this in-depth review of the Sophos XGS 2300 Next-Gen Firewall with the US power cord, model XG2CTCHUS. Today we are diving into this advanced security solution that has been engineered to meet the demands of modern network protection while ensuring your user experience remains top-notch. The Sophos XGS 2300 is not just any firewall. It is a robust and comprehensive defense tool designed to shield your network from the sophisticated and evolving threats in cyberspace. One of its defining features is the intelligent TLS 1.3 decryption. With fast and effective SSL inspection, this firewall removes the enormous blind spot that encrypted traffic often creates. By offering extensive exceptions and a user-friendly point-and-click policy setup, Sophos makes it easier for network administrators to enforce security without sacrificing speed or usability. Another critical functionality is the deep packet inspection. This high-performance streaming capability, which includes next-generation IPS, web protection, and application control, is built to detect and stop the latest ransomware and security breaches. Enhanced by deep learning and the powerful intelligence of Sophos Labs Intelligence, the device acts as a vigilant guard, scrutinizing traffic to deliver optimal safety. Powered by dedicated extreme flow processors, the XGS series excels in several key areas: application acceleration, high-performance TLS inspection, and multi-layered threat protection. Its standout performance metrics include an impressive firewall throughput of 35,000 Mbps, along with 20,000 Mbps for IMIX, IPS throughput reaching 7,000 Mbps, and threat protection throughput at 1,400 Mbps. Moreover, the exceptionally low latency of just 4 microseconds, 64-byte UDP, allows for near-instantaneous packet processing, which is ideal for both high-demand enterprise environments and smaller networks dealing with modern threats. In real-life scenarios, users have reported that this firewall performs exceptionally well, providing a secure yet seamless network experience. The advantages are clear: robust security, ease of management, and outstanding performance under heavy loads. On the downside, as with any high-end network device, the initial setup might be complex for those unfamiliar with advanced network configurations, and the investment might seem steep for smaller businesses. When compared to similar products in the market, the Sophos XGS 2300 holds its ground, offering not just competitive performance, but also superior SSL inspection and deep packet analysis. For users looking to get the most out of this product, we recommend a thorough review of the policy management tools and leveraging the intuitive exception settings to tailor the firewall's performance to your network's unique needs. Overall, if you're an enterprise or a network administrator seeking advanced security with minimal performance trade-offs, the Sophos XGS 2300 is a strong candidate. Thank you for listening to this review, and greetings to all our viewers out there. Stay safe and see you in the next video.